Okay, today I got in my hot water on demand for the shower I'm putting in. It's from GASLAND. So this will be kind of an unboxing, not installation at this point. That'll be on the shower build video. We'll see what they have in the box. Okay, the main unit. Voila! GASLAND. Main unit, you've got the controls. Control for your water, control for your heat. Digital readout for your temperature. Looks like it's going to be a good unit. It's got the handle. You can hang it on a wall or wherever, or hang this on a branch if you're outside, but I'm using this inside. Underneath, obviously your gas hookup for your bottle. And you got your water in, water out to the shower. And it takes 2 D-cell batteries, apparently. 2 D-cell just to ignite. Show you my plan. See over here, I'm going to be building the shower in. The base, obviously. But I plan on hanging this, mounting it on the wall so I can adjust it. And I'm going to have my shower wall come up about 6 feet, not 6 feet, 5 feet. Then I can reach over and do controls. I'm going to build it in here, some shelving for water, and yeah, I think it's going to work quite well. So we got the main unit. Let's see what else we got. The manual, gas water heater, safety information, product information, installation, so everything you need. So I'll read through that before I start putting it in place. The other box is what's inside. Yeah, this particular unit comes with a pump. So everything you're going to need to get a nice shower going. You got the pump. Let's see here, it's a 12 volt, 6 amp, heavy duty. Water in, water out, and hook up to your 12 volt system. But I'm going to actually, I got plugins in the cabin, so I'm going to get a 12 volt adapter, just plug it right into the wall. Get it mounted in the back behind the shower there. Got the hoses, quick release. And this should be the shower head itself, I believe. All the connectors, a little filter. Shower hose. Nice shower head itself. This push button on and off. And you can adjust the flow. A little less water, a little more. Stop, go. And a little mount for it. I'll figure out how I'm going to mount it. And voila, we'll be showering. Just go over some of the specs. It's a tankless gas water heater. Model is a BE 158. Gas type, propane. Got the inlet gas. Maximum pressure, 110 psi. Maximum water pressure, that is, 110 psi. A maximum input rating, 41,000 BTU. So it heats up pretty darn quick. It takes two 3-volt D batteries just to get it ignited. And use outdoors only. So it's recommended and highly recommended, and I'm not telling you what to do and what not to do, but because there's propane involved, it's meant to be outside. But I'm going to have it, and I'll have the propane tank itself outside, so it'll lower the risk significantly. I'm the only one living here. I'm very careful, so I think it should work just fine. But do not do as I do. Look into things yourself. Make your own decisions in life. But stay tuned, subscribe, and you'll see how I have it all built in on the shower system. Hopefully shortly.